Imagine yourself in this 2013 Hyundai Genesis 3.8L. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Enjoy these notable features: multi-zone AC, front reading lamps, leather steering wheel, climate control, power driver seat, power outlet, integrated turn signal mirrors, and passenger vanity mirror. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.